Would you rather make money fast or slow over a long period of time? Trading options is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Normally, I like to trade options in the 45 days to expiration range. However, when there's a chance to make money quickly, when everything sets up just perfectly, then why not take a swing at it? The quicker we can make money, the better, right? A great goal is to make 30 or 40% or sometimes even double your money when trading options in a small account every year. This can be accomplished through actively trading and taking advantage when things occur in the market and things just set up right. In this video, we'll look at an easy option trade in Enphase Energy. We'll discuss why Enphase is a great company, why selling an Iron Condor is the strategy to use right now, and how to place an Iron Condor in Enphase Energy, showing a real example on the option trading platform.
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for joining. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your options trading portfolio. Please check out and download the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is Enphase Energy a great company? Enphase provides solar home energy solutions, including its Smart IQ battery. They also design and manufacture EV charging solutions. Both of these are fantastic growth categories, and there is a large amount of government money that will be spent in these markets going forward. Let's look at why selling an Iron Condor is a strategy right now that we can use with Enphase. The stock is currently trading at the lower end of its 52-week range, so I'm not too concerned about it crashing and going much further down, as it's a great value for a growth stock right now. In looking at the chart on TradingView, you can see that Enphase has been trading within the 185 to 215 range for the past 3 months. Enphase has great fundamentals and it's been growing revenue at a fantastic clip, from $1.4 billion in 2021 to $2.3 billion last year, and they more than doubled net revenue. They grew revenue 75% year over year and have a 17% profit margin and 63% return on equity. Looking at the current market situation, there are mounting economic concerns weighing on the market right now. Many people think we're entering a recessionary period and the Fed is trying to curb inflation by raising interest rates and at the same time trying to avoid a recession. This has contributed to big sell-offs for companies in the EV charging and renewable energy tech industries. While many investors have been hoping that some degree of economic slowdown will help depress inflation and cause the Fed to pivot away from the interest rate hikes, new labor data came in worse than expected on multiple fronts and prompted pullbacks for companies with growth-dependent valuations. For these reasons, I don't see Enphase skyrocketing to the moon anytime soon. Let's look at how to place an Iron Condor in Enphase. We'll go to the Tastyworks trade platform. It's the best platform for trading options. I'll put a link down below. We go to the Trade tab and punch in ENPH for Enphase in the upper left. Normally, I'll go to the May 19 option chain since it's closest to 45 days to expiration. However, Enphase has earnings coming on April 25th, so let's open up the April 21st option chain just prior to the earnings announcement. We click on the bid to sell the 185 put and ask to buy the 175 put, and we collect $1.36, which is $136. We then scroll down and click on the bid to sell the 215 call and the ask to buy the 225 call. We switch to the curve mode by clicking on curve and can see our profit zone in green. We collect $247 up front for placing this Iron Condor option trade. As long as the stock price stays between the 185 and 215 short strike prices in the next 9 days, we keep the entire $247. So you can see how by selling an Iron Condor, we set up for the following. We make $247 in just over a week. We avoid earnings risk by trading prior to the earnings announcement. And worst case, if the price does move outside of the profit range, We close the trade and roll to the next month and collect additional premium.
All right, guys, I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, let me know what you thought of this trade and what you're trading in your options trading account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.